Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your money, abundance, and work related reading today. So let's see what's coming up for money and abundance spirit for Leo, my lions and lionesses. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most to have lots and lots of abundance in their life. Thank you. So, Leo, let's take a blessing from Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha, being the god of prosperity and abundance, it's very apt that we request him for a blessing first for you. So, Lord Ganesha, what do you have for Leo now? The card Lord Ganesha has for you, Leo, is empowerment. Wow. This is going to be a good month, it seems, Leo. You are going to be empowered by whatever you're doing. It's going to make you feel like the lion, like the lioness, which is really nice. Let's take one from the angels as well. My angels, a blessing or advice card for my Leo for money, lots and lots of abundance and prosperity for October. After you, Leo, blessings of abundance. My God, that is beautiful. Empowerment and blessings of abundance. I mean, this is the only card, I think, in this entire angel deck which speaks about money and abundance, right? And you get it. Oh my God. I think I'm going to make some Leo friends soon, right? You're all going to be rich and famous, it seems. So let's see this and start your reading and let's see how you're going to get your money this month, Leo. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love and comments and shares and likes. Also, if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us. We meet here weekly, monthly, weekends, all kinds of readings. Your love readings are coming up soon as well, so watch out for those. Let's see what my lions need to know now. It started out well. I'm happy. Oh, you get the Fool card as well. Brand new beginnings, Leo. Brand new beginnings in work and money and abundance coming your way. Are you starting a new project? Anything new? Or is it time for you to make some new investments, it seems? It's going to pay you off big time because you're going to be empowered and you have blessings of abundance coming your way. Let's see what's Page of Cups. Okay, so receiving an offer or starting something brand new, it seems. The Sun in reverse in the past and the Lovers making a choice. Let's see why these cards are here, Leo, first before we proceed further. So, Page of Cups Spirit as their current energy. What is this offer all about? One more. One more, Spirit. Okay, so what happened, Leo, is if there was some partnership in the past which didn't really fructify, maybe there was a partner who you had to give a certain amount of money to, because there was a fallout in a relationship or a partner, or maybe you had to give alimony, or maybe you lost some money, right, in a partnership in the past. And yes, it was because of this partnership, you lost some money in the past, right? And this really didn't make you very happy with the Sun card being in reverse, or maybe you're in the process of doing that right now. You will, after making this peace offering, I think, to this person who is a bit upset and angry with you, and this partnership is not working out. Now, Leo, after this, you're going to start something brand new, right? It's going to be a brand new chapter of your life where you will not be encumbered by the past partnership or the past person who you've had to maybe, which was a drain on your finances. So this is going to be beautiful, beautiful new beginning coming up for you, Leo, and that's where all your blessings and empowerment is going to come from. So, Spirit, what is this choice that my Leo has to make? What's this choice that my Leo has to make now? Yes, Leo, if there was anything that was a blockage in your life, right? This month, I think you'll be making a firm choice. Whatever chapter of your life was not shut out from the past. Once you have made this choice of this, you're still making that choice, right? You have to make a choice about this chapter of your life, which is still, I think, ending. Once that chapter of your life is over, any blockages that you have, Leo, in your life, which is stopping your growth and abundance, is going to start flowing freely, right? I think you're going through some kind of closure from the past. Once that is done, new energies start to come into your life. This happens with even relationships. Leo, a lot of people who are in bad relationships will, ask me, when will I find new love? But then once your energies are not clean, or, energies around you are still polluted by some negative energies from the outside, new energies can't come in. So I think you have some pending things to finish off from the past, and the minute you're done with that, you're going to have a fresh new beginning, fresh new life. The Fool card is here. I think, yeah, you can't really go wrong. I think you had it twice. Yeah, you have the Fool card twice now. So fresh new beginnings, right? After this choice is made of wrapping up a past chapter of your life. Let's see, Leo, what is it that you're holding on to? Yes, I think if there is some commitment from the past, Leo, you're still holding on to it. Maybe the last leg, just let it go now. Just let it go. Maybe this is the blockage that is around you, which is not allowing you even your abundance of money and prosperity to come in, right? If there is any kind of commitment which is still in your energy zone, don't hold on to it any longer. That this is becoming a blockage in your work, finances, and money life as well. Let's take a card anyway. Spirit, why is the Hierophant a blockage? Why is sorry, not a blockage. Why is Leo still holding on to that? Yeah, because this is a mischievous energy around you, right? This is the energy which is kind of stalling you from further growth. It could be somebody who's a money pincher, who's very tight on money, who is upset and angry with you. So you're getting bad vibes from this person, right? People don't believe that, but yes, I do. If there is good, there is bad as well. So some people, jealous people who are in your energy, could be sending you hate sometimes, which can affect your growth of money and abundance as well. So let's see, what is it that you should let go of? Yeah, let go of any feeling that, I can never, ever, ever have this abundance back in my life. Maybe you've suffered a lot, or you have not been able to get something off the ground. You've been struggling to get it off the ground, and it just doesn't seem to kick off. Spirit is saying it's time to get over all the stress, tension, and worry, because the Fool card is here, Leo, and blessings of abundance. Just let go of this feeling that I will never ever be able to start something off again, and let go of all your stress and worry regarding that as well. You're already blessed now. You're already blessed by Lord Ganesha with empowerment and the angels for blessings of abundance. And two cards of the Fool which say they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Don't worry about it. So don't fear it. Spirit is saying, let go of your worry. We've got your back now. What's going to be your biggest blockage, Leo? Yes, see, this is going to be a blockage of saying, hey, I'm never going to make it. I have lost money maybe in the past, or maybe somebody took it away from me, and I have lack right now. I will never be able to make it back again. Spirit is saying, if you continue to be in this vibration, right, it's going to become a blockage in your life, Leo. Just stop even thinking about it anymore. You're entering this new phase of your life, of the Fool. This is a brand new chapter you're going to begin now, right? Just make sure that whatever old there is in your life, sorry, you clear that out. Clear that out, because that is what is blocking you right now. Five of Pentacles, Spirit, why is that a blockage for Leo? While I was saying that, my throat got blocked. That's for sure. Spirit, why is the Five of Pentacles going to be a blockage if they feel like that, Spirit? Yeah, you see, you have to put an end to this way of thinking. right? You have to, you know, I think there is some little voice inside your head, Leo, or your heart, which says, hey, my ships are never going to come in. It's never going to happen for me. I mean, look at this man standing here at the shore and so confident and saying, hey, I've put in all my work and my intentions and my manifestations, and I'm waiting for those three ships that are sailing towards me with the abundance and riches and treasures. But this is in reverse, right? So Spirit is saying, please put a death to this kind of even self-talk. You may not be saying it consciously, but think about it, Leo. Think about it. Think of how you self-talk yourself into saying, hey, I'm not sure whether my ships are ever going to come in now. Maybe I've lost my job, or I've lost a partner, or I'm too old, or I'm too young. Anything, any negative self-talk that you're giving yourself, Spirit is saying, please put a death to that immediately, right? We are gifting you blessings of abundance. Clear your energy and have this transformation for yourself. So, Leo, how do people around you see you? People see you as dynamic. People see you as dynamic, Leo, which is not a surprise. You are strong. You're a lion. You're a lioness. And this is exactly how people view you as well. It's just your own negative self-talk, which is keeping you stuck somewhere, right? So why do people see my lions and lionesses as the ace of wands, Spirit? They see you as strong as they are, as I think you are actively releasing any toxic patterns around you. You are not, you're quite clear on that. I think you're sharing it with your friends and family that, you know, this thing is not working out for me. I'm ending a certain, maybe a job, an old job, old business, because I'm not happy with it. I'm not, feel I have equal give and take. They see you as putting an end to the old way of doing things. They see you as taking charge of your brand new life. And yes, you're not shy about telling people about this either, right? They see you as very strong and be able to put an end to whatever didn't serve you and starting something brand new for yourself. So I think people around you have more confidence, Leo, than I think you do at the moment. You are still somewhere doubting yourself. Other people, they think you are fantastic, right? So what's Spirit's secret advice to you now, Leo? Spirit's secret advice to you is the Three of Pentacles. Yes, there is big abundance coming for you, Leo, in some organized kind of a job or partnership. This may have more than two people, maybe three or more, where you will be working together with somebody to create this abundance. And Spirit is also saying that if you've been feeling that a bit depressed or sad or not giving yourself enough attention or love, please let that go. Let go of any burden. One second, one second. I have to clarify this once again. Spirit, why is this Three of Pentacles here? Is this a warning or advice? What, I'm going to just leave this aside. I'm going to ask you once again, Spirit, why is the Three of Pentacles in your secret message for Leo? Leo, just be aware if you are planning a new business venture with more people. Be a little mindful if get into some kind of a fight, right? If there are too many people in the mix, it may lead to a little bit of squabble here. It could lead to a little bit of instability here. Um, just be a little mindful here, right, of who you're partnering up with. So, Spirit, what should Leo do? This is worrying me for a second. What should Spirit do in this case? What should Leo do in this scenario? Okay, there is abundance, there is growth, there is fertility. Just be a little mindful of this, right? If you are moving into a partnership without any clear-cut communication, any paperwork not correct or something, just be very careful. This partnership can give you a lot of abundance, happiness, this new job or partnership, whatever you're planning. But if there is lack of clear guidelines, right, it may lead you to losing money, and there could be fights in this. Leo, I think this came out for you in the monthly as well. And if you are direct and clear, this has a potential of a lot of growth and a lot of abundance, right? So just be a little mindful, Leo, about who you're partnering up with. Even if it's a job, please read the fine print carefully. That's all I'd like to say. Otherwise, there's nothing to worry about. Your blessings are on their way, and you will feel very empowered in the month of October. That's all I have for you now, Leo. Take care, love and light, and I will see you soon for your love reading. Namaste.